Hey y'all, I am so glad that you're here. In this video, we are going to do a prayer journal entry for Ecclesiastes 11. Now, let me tell you before we start this, that today, during church service, the pastor mentioned this, and I wrote it down in my notes, and I thought, I have to go home and look this up. And so I did, because the power of it during the sermon, it just hit me. And I don't know, it's hard to explain, but if you've had a moment like this, then you understand. But so I wrote in my notes, and I came home and looked it up, and I'm going to read it to you. He has made everything beautiful in its own time. Also, he has put eternity in their hearts, except that no one can find out the work that God does from beginning to end. I do apologize that if you hear some little squeaks in the background, that those are our newborn puppies. Shadow had them night before last, and they are in there crying. She is in the box with them, but they keep crying. So those weird little noises, that's what that is. So this verse is that human beings are different than any other animals on earth. We have a sense of eternity. And we have a longing for what comes with that eternity. We have a sense for things in our lives, and we have a knowledge that other beings don't have. And we yearn for what comes after this. I didn't even think about this until the pastor mentioned it, that God put this yearning for eternity, wondering what comes next. He put that in us. And it just never occurred to me. I just never thought about it, you know, and it gives me hope for those that don't believe, because all of us have a yearning to know what comes after this. And I feel like that yearning in some people will drive them towards God. And it fills me with hope. I wish that I could explain like the thought process in my head for this, but it just resonated with me. And that is what we're going to do this prayer journal entry. So go ahead and break out your Bibles, break out your prayer journal, and let's get to work. Ecclesiastes 3:11. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Also, he put eternity into their hearts, except that no one can find out the work that God does from beginning to end. The Lord put eternity into the heart of man. He gave us the yearning and the knowledge to realize that there is something after this life. No matter who we are or what we believe, we know there is something else. The Word of God is so beautiful. When we take the time to read and learn like He intended, so much is revealed to us. All we have to do is pay attention. God is in control. He provides. We are helpless. God is in control of everything. He gave us the ability to know there is something after. God provides everything we need on this earth to live and the Word to learn by and grow. Without Him, we have nothing. This verse gives me hope for the lost or those who stray. I can use this to grow and to pray. Dear Lord, I know those who I consider lost are not lost to you. You have given us all yearning for eternity, a yearning for you. I will do my best to pray for people and hope that they will understand that you love them. I will use your word to guide and love my fellow humans. Amen. Thank you so much for watching and doing this prayer journal with me. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer to the best of my ability. As always, thank you so much for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.